Alright guys, what's good? I'm just gonna go ham with this video, alright? Because I'm shooting it with my iPhone 11 Pro. I'm not gonna be doing anything fancy, editing and all that stuff. I'm just gonna go ahead and splice this. It's a GoPro app. My dog wants to go for a walk. See, she's just starting to walk. So yeah, this is a new product. I want to go ahead and show you, install it, and show you guys what they look like real quick before Lexi kicks my ass and, you know. We have one that goes right here. It's a cell phone holder. I gotta go ahead and get something to pop that out. If you guys don't have anything cool like this, it's okay. But use something plastic so you don't mess up your dashboard. I already messed up mine, but it is what it is because race car. I'm gonna go ahead and open this for you guys. There's two different products in here. I'm gonna show you the first one. Again, this is from CarzDeluxe Design. He's on Instagram and Facebook, but oh, and TikTok. Go check him out on TikTok. This is a cell phone mount replacement, I guess you could say, which is super cool. This loosens. That's cool. It opens up as you open it. Continue to unscrew it, it gets larger. So go ahead and install that real quick. Since the 3D print looks like that, I'm gonna go ahead and put it just like how it is. So just popped in like that. It's a lot sturdier than I expected. But that's dope. I needed something like this because I travel a lot. You know what I mean? You get the idea. Show you something else pretty cool. But let's get into the other product. I popped my hood for a reason. Because it's beautiful. No, I'm just kidding. On top of that, you know, we got this. This is his new BC coilover cover, which I had to go ahead and grab, and I told him I'd go ahead and show you guys here on the tube, because who wouldn't want to see what these things look like installed on Lady in Red Lexi built. Hold on one second. I haven't looked at them yet. That's pretty cool, but that's on the bottom. So you guys, this is what it's gonna look like on the top, which is pretty cool. I can go ahead and vinyl that if I wanted to, but we're just gonna go ahead and pop them on, see what they look like. Oh, this is gonna look so dope. Oh, come on, I need two hands. It's gonna pop in there nice though. Hold on. Oh my God, that's so dope. That's so dope. That's so dope. I definitely gotta go ahead and either paint it or vinyl wrap it. What do you guys think? Should I go ahead and vinyl wrap it? Carbon fiber or black? I got black actually. But I'm just gonna go ahead and pop on the other one on the driver's side real quick to see what it looks like. We all know what it looks like, but I don't like how my BCs are cambered differently. I hate that. So here we go, you guys. That's what they look like. What do you guys think? You like them? You gonna get a pair? I like that. But honestly, you guys, I really like this. A cell phone holder. Because look. Look at that. That's a beautiful design, y'all. Curtis, I like that. Thank you. Definitely. That way I can put my phone there instead of having it in there or up there or